find center, eccentricity, foci, equation of directrix and length of lateral rectum. Okay, now first problem. X square minus 4y square is equal to 4. What is the problem? X square minus 4y square is equal to 4. Now first we will divide. Is equal to 1. So x square by 4, y square is equal to 1. What is the a square value? 4. B square value 1. Now what is the a value? 2. What is the b value? 1. Now first we have to find center is 0, 0. What is the foci? Sorry, E formula. E is equal to root of a square plus b square by a square. What is a square? 4 plus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 5 by 4 under root. So E is equal to root 5 by 2. We got E value. Next we have to find foci. A comma 0 minus A comma 0. A value 2 into root 5 by 2 comma 0 and minus 2 into root 5 by 2 comma 0. So 2 will get cancelled. Root 5 comma 0 minus root 5 comma 0. Foci we got S and foci. Next directrix. X plus or minus a by e is equal to 0. X plus or minus a value 2 by root 5 by 2 is equal to 0. 4 by root 5 is equal to 0. Right? Next, length of lateral rectum 2b square by a. 2 into b square. What is b square? 1. By a value 2. So what is the answer? 1. So we got E formula, foci, directrix. Right? So here it is a simple method. Right? We have to take these values and convert. Okay. Let us see next problem. Look at the second one. Okay, he has given 16y square minus 9x square is equal to 144. First we rewrite this. How we will write it? How we will rewrite 9x square minus 16y square. Observe here what we have done. First we have to write x then y. So divide by 144. Don't divide by minus 144. Is equal to 1. That is minus 1, sorry. So x square by 16 is equal to minus 1. So this is a conjugate hyperbola. This is conjugate hyperbola. So a square is equal to 16, b square is equal to 9, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3. Now E formula will change by b square. What is the formula? A square plus b square by b square. So what will happen? 16 plus 9 by 9. That is 5 by 4. So E value 5 by 3. Now what is the foci? 0 comma BE, 0 comma minus BE. What is the foci? 0 comma BE and 0 comma minus BE. So 0 comma B value is what, sir? 3. 3 into 5 by 3 means 5. 0 comma minus 5. And what is the directrix? Y plus or minus B by E is equal to 0. Y plus or minus B value is what, sir? 3. 3 by 5 by 3 is equal to 0. 9 by 5 is equal to 0. Right? Next, length of lateral rectum 2b square by a, 2a square by b. So 2 into a square. What is a square? 16 by a value, b value 3. 32 by 3. This formula. Right? So here first step is important. So what we have to do? We have to write first x squared and y squared, this become minus 1. Then you have to make a statement. What is the statement? Conjugate hyperbola. Okay, right. Observe this process. Next, third one. Zero. 4x square minus 9y square minus 8x minus 32 is equal to 0. Observe here. One group minus 9y square is equal to 32. So again, like ellipse, we have to do, sir. 4 common, x square minus 2x minus 9y square is equal to 32. So 4 into plus 1 square minus 1 square. So add 1, subtract 1, like ellipse only, because half of 2 is 1. So x minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 9y square is equal to 32. Open the bracket. So 4 into x minus 1 whole square minus 9y square is equal to 32 plus 4. So 4 into x minus 1 square minus 9y square is equal to 36. So 4 into x minus 1 whole square by 36 minus 9y square by 36 is equal to 1. So x minus 1 whole square by 9 minus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Now compare, observe here, with x minus h whole square by a square minus y square, y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. So h value 1, k value 0. Okay, we got compare with this, sir. H is equal to 1, k is equal to 0. And what is the a square value? 9. B square value 4. Therefore, E formula, a square plus b square by a square. So this is 9 plus 4 by 9. So root 13 by 3. Right, so what is the E value? Root 13 by 3. Now we got center h comma k, that is 1 comma 0. What is the foci? AE plus h comma k minus AE plus h comma k. So A value is what, sir? From this, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2. Put the value. So what will happen? A value is what, sir? 3. 3 into root 13 by 3 means root 13 plus h value 1, k value 0. Okay, minus root 13 plus 1 comma 0. Root is there for only 13, sir. It is not there for 1. So root 13 plus 1. Okay, next, directrix. X plus r minus a by e is equal to h. X plus r minus a value. What is a value? 3 by root 13 by 3 is equal to h value is how much, sir? 1. So x plus r minus 9 by root 13 is equal to 1. What is the length of torus rectum? 2b square by a. 2 into b square. What is the b square? 4 by a value 3. So 8 by 3. Right? So what we have done? We have converted into standard. Again same method like ellipse. Okay. Let us see next problem. 5x square minus 4y square plus 20x plus 8y is equal to 4. Look at here. The grouping is very, very important. Right? Now here compulsory you take minus common. So what will happen? So what I have done? I have taken a minus common, so 4y square minus plus will become minus because we are taking minus common. So 5 common, 4 common. Observe here we are taking 4 only common, not minus. Already we are taking minus sign. So 5 into here also is equal to 8. So 5 into x plus 2 whole square minus 4. Here minus 4 into y minus 1 whole square minus 1 is equal to 8. Open the bracket. Minus 20 minus 4 into plus 4 is equal to 8. Minus of minus will come plus. So 5 into x plus 2 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 whole square is equal to 8 plus 20 minus 4. So how much we get? 24. So 5x square plus 4x plus 2 minus 20 here plus 2y. So plus 1 minus 1. So plus 4. So it will be look at here, plus 4, 16. Okay, sorry, it is 4 no, or written 8. Please change this. 4, 4, 4, here 4. So this becomes 20. Here it is 4, sir. So I have written by mistake 4. So 20. So divide by 20. By 20 is equal to 1. Therefore, 4 is equal to 1. Compare with x minus h whole square by a square, y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. So what is the a square value? 4. B square value 5. A is equal to 2, B is equal to root 5, right? Then what is the h value? Minus 2, k value 1, because here x plus 2, here x minus h, that's why h is equal to k minus 2 and y is equal to k is equal to 1. Then what is the E formula? Root of a square plus b square by a square. What is a square, sir? 4. 4 plus 5 by a square value is how much? 4. So how much it will be? 3 by 2. So what is the E value? Root. Now center h comma k minus 2 comma 1. What is the foci? AE plus h comma k minus AE plus h comma k. So what is A value? 2. 2 into 3 by 2 means 3. H value minus 2 comma k value is how much, sir? 1. Here minus 3 minus 2 comma 1, right? This is nothing but 1 comma 1 minus 5 comma 1, right? Next, directrix. X plus r minus a by e is equal to h. X plus r minus a value, what is the a value? 2. 2 by 3 by 2 is equal to h is what, sir? Minus 2. So this becomes x plus r minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 2. What is the length of latus rectum? 2b square by a. B square, what is the b square value? 5. A value is what, sir? 2. 5. Here very important, taking here minus common. This step is very important. In ellipse we will not take minus sign. Here plus sign will come, so problem will be the same. But here you are taking minus common. Okay. Okay, 4x square minus 5y square minus 16x plus 10y plus 31 is equal to 0. So again grouping, minus common, minus 31. So I have taken minus common. So 4 common, is equal to minus 31. So 4 into x square minus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square plus 1 square minus 1 square is equal to minus 31. So 4 into x minus 2 whole square minus 4 minus 5 into y minus 1 whole square minus 1. Observe here the problem. 4 into x minus 2 whole square minus 16 y minus 1 whole square plus 5 is equal to minus 31. So 4 into x minus 2 whole square minus 5 into y minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 31 plus 16 minus 5. So it will be minus 20. So 4 into x minus 2 whole square 5 into y minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 20. Here minus 20 has come. So divide by 20 only. So it is because by 20 minus 5 into y minus 1 whole square by 20 is equal to minus 1. So x minus 2 whole square by 5 minus y minus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to minus 1. So here minus 1 is there. So conjugate hyperbola. Which hyperbola? Conjugate hyperbola. Therefore a square is equal to 5, b square is equal to 4 and h is equal to 2 and k is equal to 1. Okay, compare x minus h whole square by a square, y minus k whole square by b square is equal to minus 1. So h is equal to 2, k is equal to 1, right? Now look at here, center h comma k, 2 comma 1. Now what is the E formula? Root of a square plus b square by b square. What is the formula? A square plus b square by b square. So this becomes 5 plus 4. A square is 5, b square is 4, and what is b square? 4. So that is 3 by 2, right? This is very, very important, sir. Okay, here minus sign is coming. That's why it is a conjugate hyperbola, right? Now 4c, h comma be plus k, h comma minus be plus k. So h value is what, sir? 2. B value from this a is equal to root 5, b is equal to 2. So 2 comma b value 2 and e value 3 by 2. So it becomes 3 and k value plus 1. And here 2 comma minus 3 plus 1. So this is 2 comma 4 and 2 comma minus 2. Okay, so we have completed. 4c is over. Next, directrix. Y plus or minus b by e is equal to k. So y plus or minus b value. What is the b value? 2. 3 by 2 is equal to k value is what, sir? 1. Right? Therefore, y plus or minus 4 by 3 is equal to 1. And last, length of Laurent's rectangle. 2a square by b. A square, what is the a square value? 5. And what is the b value? 2. That is 5. So this is once you get a minus sign, you are right, conjugate hyperbola. Okay, I will give you 2 problems, sir, of same model. Please practice them. Okay. First one, second one. Okay, right? Please practice them. See, sir has already given about the schedule of quarterly examination. Your portion is circles, system of circles, and integration for parabola, ellipse, next hyperbola. These chapters is for your portion of quarterly examination. By tomorrow I will send important questions. in our group, sir. Okay, in group I'll send. Please practice for quarterly examination. Okay, tomorrow I'll give you this question, most important questions for these chapters, important questions, sir. You have to practice for quarterly exam, that is for final examination also. I'll send you by tomorrow, okay, by today evening only, by I am sending by today evening, okay, you will get, then that is you will get these questions, then you can do it, okay. We'll stop here.